Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury in 4th house. The planet Mercury in the 4th house of your chart signifies that you are decisive, your memory is good, you be careful, you think well, you often attach family, do you love antiques? Your father is a virtuous person, your mother is a virtuous person. Careers related to real estate, agriculture, careers related to ecology, careers related to archaeology, careers related to geology, occupations related to land. You usually work from home, indoor activities. You often change your place of residence. You have a relative who lives with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.